Hi guys, so finally the last unboxing of the day is Kiss products. They sent me no polish. I won a giveaway from them, so this was sent like 2 weeks ago, but I'm barely unboxing it. And I did try these on. I have them on right now. I've been using them for the past 1 or 2 weeks, and yeah, and other winners won this giveaway too, so I was pretty excited because I don't really have nail polish anymore. They sent me a good amount of nail polish, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Okay, never mind. So they sent me like 3 regular solid colors, and then they sent me 3 shimmer colors, so I was excited. They sent me like a variety of different types of colors, formulas. So these are perfect for the summer. Like, I needed spring summer shades. It matches with my outfit. I can't. So this is their quick dry nail polish collection. So this is pretty cool, and this is in the shade cheese, like cheese. That's the shade here, swatched on. I keep redoing them because they always fall. Any nail polish, which is fine, is pretty orange. I like it. It's very bright and fun. It matches my shirt, like, cool. No, actually my shirt is more bright, yeah, but it's a pretty close match, to be honest. This is one of my favorites. That's also why I entered the giveaway. I just fell in love with the lime green, one of my favorite colors. So this is in the shade highlighter, and it's right here. You see, this is very close match. It looks kind of yellow, but it's not. It's lime green. Super fun, perfect for the summer. I just love lime green. So pretty. So, and the last solid shade they sent me is in the shade Magic Tools, and it's a pretty hot pink. This is the shade. Like, I'm not flicking, not me flicking y'all off. Oops. This is not super bright or neon, but it's still very pretty and bright, perfect for the spring and summer, and yay. So I'm so excited for these are my favorites. Obviously I prefer solid matte shades and shimmers, but yay, I'm so happy to win this giveaway because I just love nail polish. So the next are the shimmers. Yay. Okay, so this collection is so pretty. I can't. So this is a pretty sparkly, not rainbowy, but it's kind of like purples, blues, like it's a multi-color dimensional glitter. It's in the shade Dream World. It looks like a dream, literally, like so pretty. I have it swatched here. Okay, oops, that's a different shade, but as you can see, it's very sparkly. It's very pretty. It's very pigmented for it to be a sparkly shade. Usually sparkly shades are not really easy to use, or they don't really show up, right? But this actually does. It works. It's not cheap quality. You can see all the sprinkles, spackles, and glitters that are inside in this bottle whenever you apply it on the nail. You just have to be very careful and reapply it so it can show up, because it does work and it does stay put. It doesn't fall off easily. It's just like any traditional solid nail polish color. This is a great formula. This brand I need to buy more of their nail polish because they actually do work. They're not cheap feeling. They're very great quality, to be honest. I think this is pretty average size price. I think, I don't know the price, but I'll put it here. It's very, very pretty light. And I love playing with this because look, you can move the freaking nail polish. You see, it's like a stress reliever toy, kind of like everything moves up and down. I don't think you can see, but I just like playing with this. But I don't think you're gonna be able to see, but I'm kind of moving there. But it looks perfect for New Year's, right? But anyways, this looks more for winter time, but it's fine. And this shade caught my eye as well because of the green. I love the green. This shade is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I can't stop staring at it. It's a pretty emerald, it's royal green. It's so pretty. It's in the shade Glitter Attack, and I have it swatched here. Very, very pretty. It looks exactly like the bottle. Look, it's obviously coming off and I need to reapply, but you see, it looks exactly like the bottle. It looks very great. So good for a topper or to wear on its own like this. It's just, I'm obsessed with the color. Kind of wish they had this but in plain solid color, not just in sparkle. I don't know if they do, but wow, I'm just right. It's just so pretty. I can't. So again, is one of my favorites when it comes to the shimmer family. Okay, so the last one is pretty sparkly white, kind of plain nail polish. This is in the shade Disco Lights, and I used it on top of this, and it's just pretty white and shimmery. It's very, very pretty. As you can see, I mixed this with this one, so you can't really tell how it looks by itself, but on its own, I did try it once and it works great. It looks great as well. It's obviously not super opaque, but it is very visible still, even though it's like a plain color. It does look very, very pretty as well, so it's very nice. So I love all of these nail polish. They're just so pretty. I can't. Okay. If you have the chance to buy nail polish right now and you're looking for ones that are pretty great quality and pigmented and very pretty, check this brand out. I've never tried this brand when it comes to nail products. I usually buy cheap nail polishes or from other brands, not Kiss. So I was excited to try this brand out when it comes to nail products because I've obviously tried their lashes or glue, but not nails products. So it's pretty cool, this brand. I recommend this brand. I love this brand. I don't know if they sell these at the store. I haven't checked. Oops, it's funny. But if not, just check out their website. This is from their Instagram. That's how I found this giveaway, because I followed them. I think it was Kiss New York Pro, not their actual Kiss Cosmetics Instagram, because they have a lot of small brands, umbrella brands. So obviously check out their giveaways on their Instagram pages. That's how I mainly, well, I don't really do enter anymore, but that's how I try products from the giveaways sometimes. So it's pretty nice. And especially, we don't really, especially now, you don't, like me, I don't really have, you know, you just, it's kind of hard to, you know, restock and buy new stuff. So it's good to be like kind of like you being spoiled. Like this helps you out whenever you need things, you know. Let's be honest, you just enter a giveaway and it does work, so I'm so excited. Oh, you only have a red one, so I really needed to stock up in nail polish. I don't use nail polish because I don't have any to I'm not lying, this is the only one I have. Oh, and a nude one, and this one, and I'm running out, but these I use all year round. Now thank God I won these, so now I have spring and summer nail polish and shimmer ones, like what, so yeah. Yay, thank you so much, kids. Recommend this line of nail polishes. Please check them out, you won't regret it. Okay, this is an up close. I should probably redo them again before filming this, but you see they're just so pretty. I have really small nails, but look, it matches my summer outfit. So fun. Okay, so yay, that's pretty much it. I think for today, yeah, I just mainly did unboxing. Okay, so bye, thanks for watching. Hey, yeah, so I stopped unboxing, but look, I just wanted to show you that it's not easily coming off. It's stay put, it's staying there. Like, wow, it's great quality. Okay, it's smeared a little, but once it's dry, it's not so fully dry, but it's dry now. Look, wow, it is gonna be long lasting probably. So yeah, I just wanted to do the first impression. So if you want a lippy that's gonna stay put, maybe try this one, because it actually does look like it's gonna last long even when you eat. Maybe it's obviously gonna rub off if you eat oily food or maybe water, but it's not really gonna budge easy like other lip products. Like what? Well, I'm pretty sure these are gonna be my favorites right now. Like they're so pretty. Okay, so yeah, bye. I just wanted to do that quick mini update, mini first impression review. Okay, bye.